Hey lovelies, in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you how to get the best out of your hot comb. If you want your wigs to be on 100 all the time, then you need a hot comb. It's the number one essential tool when it comes to hairstyling, and the way you use it will determine your results or your frustration. Let's dive right into it. First, you need a tripod stand and your mannequin head where you place your wig. Then you need a hot comb, a good one, a wax stick alongside. So first, this is the side of the hot comb that is actually hot. You know, the comb part is not really that hot. So whenever you're using your hot comb, you want to make sure that the hot part is lying flat on the hair. So just like I'm demonstrating on the screen, and you're going to go in section. That's another secret. Go in sections. If you are lazy about it and you just want to do everything all at once, it's not going to work. You're not going to get the best results. So what you would do is you part, apply your wax stick, and then use your hot comb. Another secret is while you are swiping your hot comb, go in a slow motion. So in this video right now, I've fast forwarded the video so that it can move faster, so I don't waste your time. I don't like anybody wasting my time when I'm watching a tutorial and things like that. So yes, you want to go in a very slow motion. In that way, the heat can have the time to work. Look at the difference from where we've done and the part we've not done, right? About why I use the holding spray on this part, I'm going to explain at the other side. So I realized the wig is a little bit too full. I decided to pluck it to make it look more natural. I have a proven easiest way to pluck your wig. So if you like me to drop the tutorial, let me know in the comments and I will do just that in the next video. Remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to know the moment I drop another free tutorial on how to style your wigs yourself. I continue to go in section, part, apply the wax stick, and then hot comb, part, apply wax stick and hot comb until you're done. Then when you come to the front, you want to hot comb from the front to the back. Now this is when I apply the holding spray. I just apply it and then use the hot comb again on it, then use the clip to hold it. This will help it have that lifted look in front. It's like setting it. I got this lovely human hair wig from TikTok shop. It is 16 inches 7x5 closure. It came pre-cut, it came pre-bleached. The surprising part for me still remains the fact that this 16 inches is just 63 pounds. I'll leave the link to order this at the description box. This is what it looks like on me. Because we've already cut COVID, everything is flat. Now I can wear the wig in different ways: free pattern, center pattern, or even half up, half down. As a hair vendor, this is one of the skills that will differentiate you from other hair vendors, because when your customers receive their wig, they will love what they see. It's gonna look natural, beautiful, and you will always have them coming back. Was this video helpful? Let us know by dropping a big thumbs up, sharing it, and even dropping a comment. That way they will know that it was helpful to you and share it to more people. See you in the next one, lovely.